Lesson number 13, English to you Mien. This lesson is very simple, yet at the same time extremely important because it's the first lesson that will present a conjunction word. Conjunctions are words that bridge or connect one clause to another, enabling you to create or form one sentence. So with a conjunction word, you can now combine different thoughts and ideas to each other, whereas before they could only stand on their own, which limits you incredibly. Therefore, conjunctions are the key to open up your linguistic horizons. So, what's your conjunction word for lesson number 13? Simply this, because. In Mien, it goes like this, 为主. Because, 为主. So up to this point, this is what you have in English. Do you speak Mien? Allow for a response. Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. That means you and I can talk. Because, 为主. Here you go in Mien. ไม่หาgo Mien玩一下. Allow for a response. Oh, 要等啊. 一安黑海. 为奈椰草莓海公娃. 为主. There you go. You'll see the importance of this lesson number 13, because 为主. Once we get into the next lesson, you'll see how it connects 12 to 14. But for now, concentrate on 13, 为主. Because 为主. 要等啊.